Blank Park Zoo is home for two critically endangered eastern black rhinos, female Ayana and male Kiano. Black rhinos are also known as the hook-lipped rhinoceros due to their prehensile upper lip. Native to eastern and southern African savannas, black rhinos can grow up to 3,000 pounds. Taking care of such rare and large animals is a big task, but the zoo's large mammal team is dedicated to conserving this iconic species. Every day, keepers perform thorough health checks on the rhinos, looking for signs of potential illness. Other tasks include cleaning outside exhibits, hosing and disinfecting stalls, and training the rhinos. The rhinos are trained using positive reinforcement. Keepers ask the rhino for a certain behavior, such as opening its mouth, using voice commands and hand motions. Once the rhino successfully performs the behavior, a whistle is blown. This whistle tells the rhino they did a good job, acting as a bridge between the rhino performing the behavior and receiving a treat as a reward. Training helps with daily tasks, such as weighing the rhinos and moving them between stalls. It also aids in the rhino's health care. Training allows keepers and rhinos to work together to draw blood or perform x-rays and ultrasounds without the risks of sedation. While rhinos actually enjoy human interaction, keepers never share the same space as the rhinos, and interaction always takes place from behind a barrier. This form of animal management is called protected contact and helps keepers and rhinos stay safe. The zoo also uses protected contact with other large mammals like the great cats and giraffe. Differences between the African and Iowan climates provide challenges for the keepers. Black rhinos cannot tolerate sub-freezing temperatures and must be kept inside once the temperature drops below 35 degrees. The dry winter air is also hard on the rhino's skin. During the summer, rhinos roll in the mud or wallow to keep their skin moist and protected from the sun as well as to deter insect bites. In the winter, keepers give the rhinos baths and apply moisturizer to keep their skin healthy. Black rhinos are considered browsing mammals. Their wild diet consists of a wide variety of African trees, shrubs, and bushes. Their prehensile lip acts similar to an elephant's trunk and aids them in gathering and stripping leaves off branches. At the zoo, they are given a mix of hay and grain. Fruits and vegetables such as apples, carrots, and sweet potatoes are given as special treats or rewards during training. The rhinos also receive tree limbs and shrubbery known as browse as enrichment. Enrichment involves providing stimulating environments for zoo animals to encourage natural behaviors, such as rhino sparring or foraging. It helps the animals' well-being, keeping them physically and mentally fit. In addition to browse, enrichment for the black rhinos includes sturdy objects such as balls or tires, or activities like painting. Black rhinos are critically endangered in the wild. The 5 rhino species throughout Africa and Asia are being poached at alarming rates for the purpose of removing their horns. Rhino horn is composed of compressed keratin, the same material that makes up human hair and fingernails. Despite having no medicinal value, rhino horn is highly sought after for traditional Chinese medicine and prestige status in certain cultures. Poaching has decreased the wild black rhino population to less than 5,000 animals, down from an estimated 850,000 individuals at the turn of the 20th century. Blank Park Zoo, along with other zoos around the world and visitors like you, is working to support rhino conservation efforts in order to save the black rhino from the real threat of extinction. Thanks for visiting, and enjoy the rest of your day at Blank Park Zoo, Iowa's wildest adventure.